Let's see if I can open this with one arm since I can't find my tripod. Now this thing says, how much did it say? I think it said 60 or 70. And I got it for 20 bucks. Could be wrong. Probably was a little bit cheaper. We got the a rechargeable flashlight. Now, here's the big battery. I don't need this. I have my own crap. And boom, boom, boom. What's the name of it? I have no idea because the box doesn't say. Nope. I'm gonna stop. It gives you other options, look, to put other batteries in here. Which, yeah, I don't see no point of doing that. You have to use this though. So it's better to just use the battery that it comes with it and just put it in there. I'm gonna go again. I'm gonna stop it for right now. There it goes. Oh, look at that! Bright. You can zoom in, zoom out. Now you can see it's the chargeable right here. 2 chargers right here in the back. You can zoom. The batteries go in here, which gives you 2 options to put the battery in. Look at that. I got this at Walmart. Pretty cool, huh? And it comes with different things like. Pretty cool, huh? This was Lumens, and it cost 40, but I got it at a good deal at only $12. No shipping and handling at walmart.com. I'll leave you a link if you guys want it, and there you go, man. Pretty good flashlight. Peace out.